Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. You staying dry, Noe?
Trying to.
And we finished that first week out. We got about 6 inches of rain. So check out that other video. You can see we put all this stuff up, got all the concrete ready. So now we're gonna go through and show you the next part of the job. The rain's kind of slowing us down, but we're gonna keep on rolling, do as much as we can. So this video will show you putting the silos up and finishing everything up and show you how long that takes. All right, we're on day 7. Day 7, right?
Day 7, and we're getting it full speed 100%.
110%. I'm an overachiever. So we got all the rest of our parts. Everything's put together, ready to go. We got our trucks here. Trucks, more trucks, and more trucks. So we will start unloading today and start stacking up. This is where the fun starts. Day 9, as you can see, it's raining. So yesterday on day 8, we're able to stack up those 2 pieces, and all we have left is to stack this one, the one we're unloading right now. But it's rained pretty good. It's calling for about 90%. So it looks like today's gonna be a rain out, and we'll come back and start fresh once it dries out and start stacking this one over here, and we will move on to stacker next. Try not to get wet. much on the last day of all the major stuff. Silo is all the way completely stacked up. The last thing we need to do is stick that stacker conveyor up here. That's what we'll be working on, getting this stacker set in place, get this hopper over top of it, and then we'll have a few minor things with some pipes coming down and all that type of stuff. We are done. All we're doing is all the little knickknacks. We got everything in place, all the pipes, stacker, silos. The guys are just doing some touch-up painting. I'm gonna put a little shroud up here, and we will call it a day. So with some good planning and some hard work, you can get a lot of work done in just a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Go check out some of the other videos and see when we put the other plane up like this. Other than that, we're not gonna drag up, but we're gonna roll on up out of here to another one. The wind's picking up. Sorry about that. Peace.
Hey guys, ready, guys? Tip on the car right.
Yeah.